So you've painted your truck, it's looking beautiful, and immediately the elements are looking to kill your paint job. Birds are pooping on it, the sun is beating down on it, it's going to crack your dash, it's going to make the car hot, it's going to weather everything quick. How we're going to stop that is by using a car cover. Now, you go on websites and you look at the car covers they've got, and there is a hell of a lot of choices. So many so that you lose track and don't even order anything anyway. We've simplified it for you. We've only given you two choices. You got a light duty and you got a heavy duty. Nice and simple. So light duty, this is going to be if you're keeping your truck in your garage most of the time. If you're going to be taking it out, you're maybe just covering up your car for the day. So this is weather resistant. You'll see the water just beating right on off of this and flowing off, but it's not going to take, weathers in Alaska or if you've got a lot of rain and things like that. So it's not going to be suitable for being outside a long time. This right here, however, it's even more water resistant. This is feels like a raincoat really is what this is. And on the inside, it's a little bit softer than what you get with the more basic model right here. So if you're going to be outside for a long time, you're going to be seeing severe weather, you might want to go with this right here. If you got it parked in the garage and you got to worry about the kids and all of the other things that are in the garage scratching up your paint job, you might want to consider going with this one also. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put them on the truck for you so you can see exactly how they fit on there and why you want to get a car cover that is specifically made for your truck instead of just some generic thing you got off the web. So it only takes me about 2 or 3 minutes to put it on. I want to show you a couple of features though that you're going to like. First of all, we've got an elastic stretch on the front and on the back. This is going underneath the bumper and it's tucking up under there really well, helping keeping dirt from coming in and it holding onto your truck nice and firm like. You can see how far down it comes. It's even protecting most of your tires and your wheels. You can see it's specifically cut for a short bed. Obviously we have long beds for you also. And then on your mirrors, to simplify things for you, we've got these elephant ears right here. Now a lot of the trucks in the past, they came with those big old tow mirrors, so that's going to cover this right here. This has sport mirrors on it. All we do is just tuck it up under there like that, nice and neat like. Now you'll notice this has got a lot of wrinkles on it. It's because we just took it out of the bag. But if you let it set out for a few days, then the wrinkles will all mellow out for you and look a little bit nicer. A few other features I want you to see here is that right here in the middle, if you got a windy situation, you can go ahead and just tie this off here, go underneath the truck and tie it to the other side. Another nice feature they have right here is an extra piece of cloth so that you don't have any hooks or anything like that rubbing up against the side of your paint. So what I want you to do is go to the website or check out our catalog and pick out the cover that specifically fits your needs. My name's David Welch. I'm at Brothers Tech Center every single Tuesday making sure your truck gets back on the road and looks good too. You make sure you check us out on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe to the YouTube channel because I'm going to come out with another video, and if you miss it, man, I don't even know what to tell you.